The United States Geological Survey reported a magnitude 5.0 quake in the Philippines near Dapa, Surigao del Norte, Caraga, only 27 minutes ago. The earthquake hit early evening on Sunday, February 12, 2023, at 7:41 p.m. local time at a moderately shallow depth of 37.8 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their reports. A second report was later issued by the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, which listed it as a magnitude 4.8 earthquake. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 5.0.